The Real Shark Bait here, or if you're watching it on my sister channel's French Fries.
Yeah, it's on right now. Hey guys, it's French Fries here.
So we are doing a how-to on how to make chocolate-covered strawberries. So let's get into it. First, I bet you could melt normal chocolate, but we bought this from the store. We bought this at Michael's, and it's like the little pebbles. So then after that, I will show you what now you take that off and take this off. Oh, sorry. Take that off if you're getting these. Okay, on to the next. Put it in the microwave with the lid off in the microwave.
Yeah.
And close your microwave. Oops, sorry. Then you have to close your microwave, of course. And you have to 30 seconds. Okay, stop trying to say what I was saying. So 30 seconds and then you start it. Okay, you need to stop. Okay, so we'll be back once it's done. Now that it is done, you're supposed to stir it.
Yeah.
So can you film me?
Yeah.
Now I think you have to stir it until it turns into like melted. Well, they're not really melted for me.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just wing it. And
how about you put it in the oven?
I'm gonna do it for 10 more seconds.
Yeah, that's better.
The microwave is like, it didn't melt it, and when you stirred it, it was still not melting. Then I put it in for 10 more seconds, and now I'm pretty sure you stir. And if it's still not good, and if it's still like this, I think, you might want to do it for 10 more seconds, and just keep stirring. Just keep like putting it in the microwave for 10-second increments. So yeah, we'll be back after 10 seconds. Now we stir again. And just like I said, if it still is like really chocolatey, not melted, then just keep putting it in for 10-second increments. And then it'll probably get like so amazing. So we'll be back after probably 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds. Ooh, this is getting good. Now it's almost completely melted. I really want it melted so I don't have to keep stabbing them because I'm lazy. So I'm not that lazy, but I'm kind of lazy. So I'm gonna do it for 10 more seconds. So yeah, seconds later. So now, oh yeah.
Oh,
This is what you want, guys.
yes. Totally.
Now, I'll tell you the next step after it's completely done stirred. Okay, now you want to get your strawberries.
Wait, why?
Because you want to cover them in chocolate. So, dip them in.
I won't do that.
And then, hold on, wait, we'll be back in 1 second. Now with the strawberries, I've already showed you this, but it's super satisfying.
Oh,
Grab one. This one's really big. Fat. Dip it in.
and wait for it to dry.
Oh, it's kind of clumpy right now.
Maybe you have to heat it again.
If it gets,
just keep heating it.
yeah, if it gets clumpy, guys, I suggest heating it for at least 5 more seconds. Then put it on the tin foil and wait for it to dry. 10 seconds later, and not just 5. Dry for like 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, goodbye, everyone.
Yeah,
Please
goodbye.
subscribe, like, comment on both of our channels if it's on both of ours. I'm soon going to make a montage of me just doing that. So, yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.